Despite her $50,000 wealth, Sister Wives star Meri Brown received nothing from the estate of her late mother Bonnie Joyce. Surprisingly, Meri's mother had left her 5 heirs with no will. The late mother's estate left Sister Wives actress Meri Brown with nothing, as the U.S. Sun can exclusively disclose. On March 26, 2021, Bonnie Joyce Barber, Meri's mother, tragically passed away at the age of 76. Meri, Adam Barber, Elaine Jensen, Rebecca Diltz, and Deborah Bronson are Bonnie's surviving children. But Adam lost his battle with pancreatic cancer on October 5, 2023, after a 10-month battle. Mark William Barber, Bonnie's other son, tragically died in March 2015 at the age of 47. Meri had found that Bonnie had left no will when she learned that she had surreptitiously filed a petition in April 2021 for the appointment of a personal representative and determination of heirs for her late mother's estate prior to Adam's recent passing. According to court documents that the U.S. Sun has obtained, the 53-year-old assessed her mother's inheritance to be worth $50,000. Meri stated that $50,000 was her best estimate of the value of the property that Bonnie possessed, without providing any further information. The Sister Wives star was legally named as the estate's personal representative by the judge in August 2021. Gone without a trace. $17,685.72 was the total assets ascertained in the first accounting. This included the amount in Bonnie's savings and checking accounts as well as the worth of her vehicle. Nevertheless, the overall debt and liabilities, which came to $21,644.58, were more than this sum. This covered a vehicle loan, burial and funeral costs, and a filing fee for the probate court. Although it can only be presumed that the assets were utilized to settle the obligations, it is unclear if this was the case. As a result, Bonnie's estate's total remaining fortune was ultimately determined to be insolvent. A court decision from October 5, 2021 read, Meri Caroline Brown, by and through her attorney, Brandon Merrill of Utah Homicide Survivors, do hereby state that after gathering the assets of the estate of Bonnie Joyce Barber, it has been determined insolvent. ADVIC from ALAWEA. A Utah-based attorney with expertise in estate planning and probate, Abby Farnsworth, discussed Meri's case with the U.S. Sun. Meri shared, I can't speak to her intentions, but by filing to be appointed as personal representative, just seeking that appointment doesn't entitle you to any portion of the decedent's estate. I'm not sure if Meri was thinking she was getting part of the assumed $50,000 wealth or not. It actually requires you to take responsibility for settling and distributing the estate to the heirs in accordance with the laws for intestate succession that apply. Since the estate's final decision defined what insolvent meant, Abby also explained what that meant. To be insolvent simply means that there are more obligations and debts than there is accessible funds. So the debts and liabilities exceed the total value of what was in her bank account or the total value of the assets that the decedent had when she died, she said. In response to a question about whether additional money could be coming in now that Meri is the personal representative, Abby stated that it is unlikely any more money would be coming in, especially given the time that's passed at this point, and that she would only consider it in the event of a specific asset that she was unaware of. It's very straightforward, and there's almost nothing unusual about it, according to Abby, who also denied that Meri and her siblings have ever engaged in any violent altercations. $. Meri doesn't seem to be making any money from her late mother's estate. Apart from her role on Sister Wives, Meri is well known for being a salesperson and brand ambassador for Lularo since 2016. In addition, she owns and runs Lizzie's Heritage Inn, a bed and breakfast in Parowan, Utah, which she welcomed visitors to in 2017. According to the U.S. Sun, she moved there formally last year following her breakup with ex-husband Kelly Brown and her estrangement from her sister wives, Robin, Janelle, and Christine Brown. She established Meri Brown Communications LLC in May 2022, but it's unknown what she's doing with the media company at the moment. She most recently revealed to her admirers that she is working on new projects while visiting New York City, but she did not provide any specifics. Leveling up my life and business is something I'm taking a very active role in, she wrote in an Instagram post. Her current focus is on her relationship with partner Amos Andrews, who has allegedly experienced financial difficulties in the past.